What's up guys, it's Michael Katz here from MIKI'S Stocks with another weekly review that gives you everything you need to know in order to trade properly this week. Like always, stick till the end because I got two hot stocks for you to buy this Monday. Let's begin. Okay, so for this week we don't have a lot of big news coming from the media. We have it on February 9, Tuesday, GOLT, basically the job opening. This could be a nice and important information or news to watch for. It will be at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and as you can see we also have on Wednesday at 12:30 the US federal budget. And at the end of the week on Thursday, the Fed monetary policy. Those could be interesting for a lot of investors all across the world, so it might shake the market. So keep an eye on those news when the time be. Other than that, we're still at the earnings season, so there's a lot of hot and important stocks that are relevant for this week. So just make sure you watch them, wait till you see the report, and then buy or short it. Do not buy it or short it before the report. Super important not to do that. Don't be a hero. So like always, I'm analyzing the NQ, the Nasdaq 100 in a 4-hour chart, and we will see in a second the ES, mini S&P 500. And as you can see, like we talked last week, the price went all the way down to our support level, and from that point broke through the channel that we've been discussing for the last month or so, and went all the way up, breaking to a new all-time high. Now guys, as I told you last week, I wanted to see the break of this candle as we saw it, but I wanted it to close below it, like I mentioned in the video. And I said if the price will break above the channel level and close above it, then we might see a continuation to the upside. This is exactly what we saw. We went all the way down to the support level, then from there a reversal and broke to a new all-time high. And the exact same thing happened in the ES, mini S&P 500 in a 4-hour chart. We went down, took those support levels, and from that point went all the way up. Look how perfectly it worked on our support resistance level that we discussed 2 weeks ago. So we broke through that level, retested as support, and from that point went all the way up to all-time high. And as you can see, we are pretty close to the upper level of the channel. This should be a resistance, and this is what I'm aiming for this week. So what I want to see is a continuation to the upside all the way to the channel, the upper level here. What we might see is first a drop down just a little bit to those levels to test those resistance level, and basically retest it as a support, and from that point going all the way up to the channel. And from here we might take a short position on the ES or the Nasdaq. This could lead us to a drop in the price, probably to those areas of the 38.18. If we're looking at the Nasdaq, it should be the same. We're still close to the upper level of the channel, so we might see a drop first, but then maybe from those levels, the support level right here, we will see another move to the upside. So this could be a great trigger to the upside, and all the way up to the resistance level, the upper level of the channel, and from there drop in the price. So this is my scenarios for this week on the Nasdaq, on the ES. Just keep an eye on them. As soon as you see it happening, just click on the bottom and buy it or sell it, depends on the level that we are in. Now before we'll continue to the new hot stocks that I'm giving you to buy on Monday, let's talk about those two stocks that we had last week and 2 weeks ago. So I gave you save 2 weeks ago. It didn't trigger up until last week, and it crossed the 27.80 and then the 28, those two triggers that I gave you on the same stocks. And as you can see, almost a $3 move in 3 days only. If you're already in, this is a great opportunity to take profit, and make sure you get out of the stocks at least till the 11th of this month, because it's reporting. So pretty nicely, still in the money, looking great. And the other one was last week, SIG. I gave you 2 triggers on that as well. The first one was on 41, breaking through the 41, and the second one 42.82. And basically I told you you can buy it from the 41, you can add half of the shares, and then the rest of the shares above 42.80. So as you can see, from 41 it made more than $5. That means about a 1.5 ratio, and from the 42 it made about $3. So still in the money. Again, looking pretty good to the upside. If it will go through again the 46, definitely take some out, especially because we see that the Nasdaq and the ES might turn around this week and give us a negative result. So for this week I got 2 hot stocks for you. Actually I got about 5 or 6, but I will give you 2 of them. The first one is WKHS. This is a company that was around $2 just a minute ago, a year ago, even less than that. And as you can see, it made a huge momentum move all the way to the 20s, and right now been traded at 40 something dollars. So my goal here is to buy it above $42. I want to see another breakthrough of this resistance level, and from that point going higher. I want to expect to see a huge momentum move, because it's already made 2000% in less than a year, but definitely at least one more move for a few dollars to take my partial, and the stop loss should be below 38.60. It could be a great opportunity to buy. And the other one is AMRS. Also looking amazing. The stock was at $2 just in November last year, and as you can see, it already made about 500%. So this is definitely a crazy move. You can see the move from $2 all the way to the 12, and right now we got this cup and handle waiting to the breakthrough of the 12.20. So this could definitely be a great opportunity to buy. And I wanted to see going all the way up at least to the 15, 17 in order to take my first partial out. So keep an eye on this stock as well. And you know what, let me give you one more stock, because this one is super amazing. HOFV. It's basically a penny stock, but you can see it looks amazing. The stocks came all the way down from the $12 to $1, and right now been trading at 3.1. I will buy it above 325, looking just amazing to the upside. I love this BCC or PFF pattern, for those of you who saw my course or video, and this should definitely go all the way up to the $4, hopefully to the $5 to this support resistance level, and this will give us a great trade, because our stop loss is only about 40 cents. So keep an eye on this stock as well. Like always, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and Facebook group, and I will see you next time. Have a great trading week. Bye bye.